Exams coming? No stress. Here are the genetics PYQs every topper revised. Now it's your turn. If you think genetics is tough, wait till you see how simple these PYQs make it. Let's start scoring full marks. First is very short answer type questions, 1 mark each. Question 1 is who is known as the father of genetics? Second one is define heredity. Third one is define variation. Fourth one is what is a gene? Fifth one is what is an allele? Sixth one is name the plant on which Mendel performed his experiments. Seventh one is what is the full form of DNA? Eighth one is what is a character? Ninth one is what are contrasting traits? Give one example. 10th one is write the genotypic ratio in a monohybrid cross. Now let's move on to short answer type questions, 2 to 3 marks each. First is what is the difference between dominant and recessive traits? Give one example. Second one is state Mendel's law of segregation. Third question is explain Mendel's law of independent assortment. Fourth question is why did Mendel choose pea plants for his experiments? Fifth one is what is a monohybrid cross? Mention its phenotypic ratio. Sixth one is what is a dihybrid cross? Mention its phenotypic ratio. Seventh one is differentiate between genotype and phenotype. Eighth one is what are sex chromosomes? State the sex chromosomes present in human males and females. The ninth question is why are sons more likely to inherit sex-linked diseases? The 10th question is why do children show resemblance to their parents but are not identical? Here are some important difference between type questions, 3 marks each. First one is dominant and recessive trait. Second one is difference between genotype and phenotype. Third one is homozygous and heterogeneous alleles. Fourth one is monohybrid and dihybrid cross. Fifth one is autosomes and sex chromosomes. Sixth one is heredity and variation. Now some long answer type questions, 4 to 5 marks each. The first question is describe Mendel's experiment on inheritance of one contrasting pair of traits in pea plant, monohybrid cross, and state the results obtained. Second question is explain Mendel's law of independent assortment with the help of a dihybrid cross. Third one is what do you mean by sex determination? Explain with the help of a diagram showing sex chromosomes in humans. Fourth one is what are the causes and importance of variations? Fifth one is explain why offspring may not always resemble their parents. Sixth one is what are alleles? Explain with a suitable example. Seventh one is describe the inheritance of seed shape and seed color in pea plants. Now time for some most important diagrams, draw and label. First one is monohybrid cross showing inheritance of tall and dwarf pea plants. Include P, F1, and F2 generations. Show genotypes, TT, TT, TT. Ratio, phenotypic 3 to 1, genotypic 1, 2 to 1. Second one is dihybrid cross, showing inheritance of seed shape and color. Include round yellow times wrinkled green. Phenotypic ratio, 9 to 3, 3 to 1. Third one is sex determination in humans. Diagram showing XX, female, and XY, male. Gametes and zygote formation. The fourth question is structure of a gene or chromosome. Label, gene, DNA, chromosome, nucleus. The last question of this video is Mendel's experimental setup with pea plants, optional but sometimes asked. Hope you enjoyed learning genetics with me. Your board exams will be a breeze if you keep practicing like this. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more ICSE biology content.